Hello everybody. Today I will explain you second part of exercise 13.2 chapter surface areas and volume of class 10. Question number 5. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 cm and radius of its top, which is open, is 5 cm. It is filled with water up to the brim when lid sorts, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 cm, are dropped into the vessel. 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lid sorts dropped into the vessel. This is the vessel of conical shape whose height is 8 cm and radius is 5 cm. So, okay, this is the spherical lid sorts whose radius is 0.5 cm. Now we have to find out number of spherical lid sorts. So, okay, when this lid sort dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of water that flows out. By Archimedes principle, the volume of this object is equal to the volume of water come out. So, okay, displaced water, the volume of displaced water. So, now let n be the number of spherical lid sorts of radius 0.5 cm each. So, n into volume of one spherical lid sort is equal 1/4 of volume of cone. So, n into 4/3 pi r cube. R is the small r is the radius of the lid sort, is equal to 1/4 into 1/3 pi r square h. R is the radius of the vessel, conical vessel. Now you substitute the value of pi cancel, value of small r, capital R and h, this one. So n is equal to, then you calculate it, it will come as 100. That means there are 100 lid sorts. Question number 6. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter 24 cm, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 cm and radius 8 cm. Find the mass of the pole. When given that 1 cm cube of iron has approximately 8 kg mass, 8 gram mass. Now it is the base cylinder and one more cylinder that is surmounted on this cylinder. Okay, the height of the bigger cylinder, it is 220 centimeter and its radius is 24/2. 24 is the diameter has given, so radius is 12 centimeter. Now another cylinder, its height is 60 centimeter and its radius has given 8 centimeter. So total volume of these two cylinder, that is equal to pi r square r1 square into h1 plus pi r2 square into h2. Okay, now substitute the value. Pi, we can take common as pi, then r1 square h1 plus r2 square plus into h2 is equal to 12 into 12 into 220 plus 8 into 8 into 60. Okay, now by calculation it is coming as 111,532.80 centimeter cube. Now mass of 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 kg. That means it is the density. So okay, it is density is equal to 8 gram per centimeter cube. So total mass is equal to volume into density, that is multiply, and this is the 800 that actually this was 8,92,200 262.40 gram, that if you change into kg, that is 892.26 approximately this kg. Okay. Question number 7. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter. So, okay, there is a right circular cone, it is standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter. Both the radius are same. Is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of the water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and its height is 180 centimeter. Now see here, one cone, okay, and one hemisphere together placed inside a cylinder where total length of cone and hemisphere is equal to the length of the height of the cylinder. Now, volume of water left in the cylinder is equal volume of cylinder minus volume of cylinder minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So, volume of cylinder pi r, capital R square into h, minus volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h1 plus volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay. Now, pi r square h minus 1 upon 3, from this two we can take as 1 upon 3 pi r square as a common. So, it is h1 plus 2r. Okay. Now, substitute the value in this. Substitute the value in here. So, it is coming as 22 upon 7 into 3600 into 180 minus it is 80. So, it is 100. So, 792000 upon 7 centimeter cube. Now, change into meter cube. It should be 1.131 meter cube. So, volume of remaining water is 1.131 meter cube. Okay. Question number 8. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long, 2 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. Check whether she is correct. Taking the above as the inside measurement and pi is equal to 3.14. This is the vessel of a cylindrical neck whose height is 8 centimeter and diameter is 2 centimeter. So, radius is 1 centimeter. And the spherical base, that is radius, diameter is 8.5 centimeter. So, radius is 8.5 upon 2, that is equal to 17 upon 4 centimeter. Okay. Now, volume of glass vessel. So, together it is cylindrical part and volume of the spherical part. Pi r square h, it is the cylindrical part, plus spherical is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now, we can take pi as a common. So, it is r square h plus 4 upon 3 r cube. Now, substitute the value of this. So, okay, it is coming as 16632.58 upon 48, that is equal to 346.51 centimeter cube. So, the child fills its volume, find its volume is 345 centimeter cube, but our answer is 346.51. So, the child, C is not correct. So, okay, she is not correct. Next question, next is the assignment part. There are 3 questions I have given in assignment. Question 1 with answer here. Then question 2, its answer is 440. And question 3, its answer is 64. Thank you very much.